I usually save money in bank, but sometimes I buy product cards or food like ice cream, or I buy pencil or pen. Despite that, I will tell you about why I save money in bank and I buy food. First, I think save money is good for the future, because if I save money, I can use money when I need it. For example, if I need a lot of money, then I can use my savings. Also, I like to count money, and if I have a lot of money, I am very happy. So I save money. Second, I like to buy food too. Often I buy ice cream in summer, and ice cream makes me cool in hot summer. So I give ice cream to my friends, and they are very thankful to me. And I like they feel thankful to me. In addition, I buy snacks too, because I like snacks, chocolate, candy. So I buy food with my allowance. In conclusion, I buy food or save money when I get allowance, because I think save money is good for future. Also, I like to buy food. Thank you for listening, and please press the like button.